Hello, trading is closed on January 28th, 2015. I'm Tennant. As usual, let's start out with my last call. Yesterday I said that even though there was nothing requiring the inverted diamond on stilts pattern to go to completion, I thought we had a reasonable shot at a stilt-like move up into the 2050s and that we'd know more at the open. Well, as far as futures were concerned, I made the call around here, and shortly thereafter we had a stilt-like move up to 2046.50, which is equivalent to about 2052, 2053 in futures. So as far as it went in the futures market, it worked. As far as regular trading hours were concerned, this is kind of a tell that we didn't get a big gap up at the open, and it certainly I did not predict the big drop in the market today, even though I've been quite negative for some time. During the day, a mejt target that we satisfied yesterday provided resistance, and a target from January 16th was hit and provided support. So we're now at a mejt support level. During the day, mejt said this was a false move, which it obviously was. It also says this move is false, and it gives a target of 2030.52. During periods of strong impulsive moves, targets are more likely than not to fail, and I'd be kind of surprised, I would say shocked, if we saw this number tomorrow. But that's the number the system came up with. As far as other things are concerned, I was calling this a cup. Here's the handle, and once you trade through the low of the handle, lower prices should come. Way back in December, I said that no matter how high we went, at some time we would fill the gap and undercut 1972.56. I think we're getting pretty close. There were a number of things that made the timing of today's drop particularly negative. One of them was the higher mejt target. Another one was we had much higher prices in the overnight session, and a high percentage of the time those will print the following day. We also typically get a 3-leg whipsaw after the Fed announcement. Leg 1 was up, leg 2 was down, and leg 3 typically goes up more than leg 2 went down. I really don't see that happening, and I really can't say much of anything positive about today's action. As far as tomorrow is concerned, we do have a higher target. We are at a support level. A rebound of sorts is certainly possible, but I'm not going to make a formal prediction. As far as the longer term picture is concerned, the fact that January will not surpass December's high is just another piece of evidence for those who, like me, believe there is a good chance that the whole bull market's over. And that's today's call.